what the administration is saying is not what we've been experiencing.
Some Grand Princess passengers quarantined at MCAS Miramar say what the president said in his address yesterday about the quality care on our base is far from reality. 10 News reporter Rena Nakano spoke to a quarantine passenger today. She joins us live from the newsroom there. Rena, she's saying she doesn't feel safe on base.
Yeah, Vanessa, she told me she does not feel safe at all. Now, according to the county public health, we already know that 2 passengers on that same cruise ship already tested positive. They were 2 women in their 70s. The woman I spoke to today, she's from Bend, Oregon, and she says she is very worried. Not only has she not gotten her temperature checked, she hasn't gotten tested, and she says the feeling around the base, it's just understaffed and chaotic.
It was supposed to be a lovely 2-week vacation around the Hawaiian Islands.
Another day in paradise and prison.
But by prison, Carol Lira means MCAS Miramar. She and her husband Jeff have been there since late Thursday after 8 days of self-quarantine on the Grand Princess cruise ship floating up the coast of San Francisco.
It was quite the waiting game, which just kind of ramped up everybody's stress.
But she says that stress increased tenfold after the government diverted her vacation to San Diego.
We herded onto a bus, which was a crazy situation, and then crammed into a plane. Once we got to the airport, we were told there was no pilot for the plane.
Lyra says she was baffled to see the president praise how smooth the transition from the cruise ship to Miramar played out.
We had a tremendous success out in Oakland, where we moved it. Vice President Pence did a fantastic job.
It wasn't smooth. It wasn't a beautiful operation.
When they finally got to their room at the base around 2 a.m. Friday, they were giving this welcome note. It says food will be delivered to their rooms 3 times a day. They're advised to always wear a mask and to keep a 6-foot distance from each other.
People found out there was food in another building. Social distancing, wear your mask, stay 6 feet apart from each other. That went out the window immediately when we got off the ship.
Lyra says she wants the public to know the truth about their situation. They haven't been tested, not even their temperature taken since arriving at Miramar. She's hoping the situation gets better so she can get back to Oregon virus-free.
If we're not tested any day soon, when's the clock going to start ticking? As far as when we're going to be let out of here.
Now, so far, she and her husband are feeling healthy, but at this point, she just wants to be tested. Now, if she gets that negative result after that test, she will be happy so that she gets the clear to go home. And she says, if advised, she is totally happy to continue that self-quarantine at home. Reporting the newsroom, I'm Rena Nakano, 10 News.
Fingers crossed everyone there just stays healthy. Rena, thank you. And that couple not